Your brain does not shut off when you fall asleep. It moves through 4 distinct stages, each one measurable, each one doing a different job. Here is what actually happens, stage by stage, backed by real sleep research. Stage 1 is called N1. It lasts only a few minutes. Your brain waves slow from the quick, busy rhythm of being awake into slower theta waves. Your muscles loosen. Some people feel a sudden jolt, a hypnic jerk, as the body isn't fully convinced it's safe to let go yet. N1 makes up only about 5% of your total sleep. It is the doorway, not the destination. Stage 2 is N2. This is where you spend nearly half the night. Your brain starts firing short bursts of activity called sleep spindles, along with sharp spikes called K-complexes. Researchers believe these bursts do something specific. They guard your sleep. Sleep spindles are thought to dampen incoming noise, so a passing car or a creaking floor doesn't pull you back to wakefulness. Your heart rate drops, your body temperature dips. You are asleep, but your brain is still working, quietly filtering the world outside. Then comes N3, deep sleep, slow wave sleep. Your brain waves stretch into their widest, slowest form, called delta waves. This is the hardest stage to wake from. Shake someone awake here and they'll feel disoriented, groggy, unsure what year it is. Why? Because N3 is where the body does its heaviest repair work. Growth hormone peaks, tissue rebuilds. And according to neuroscientist Maiken Niedergaard, this is also when your brain runs a cleaning cycle. Her research found that brain cells shrink slightly during deep sleep, opening channels for fluid to flush through and clear out waste that built up while you were awake. Skip enough N3 and that waste lingers. So 3 stages down. Are you finished? Not even close. Your brain now climbs back up through lighter sleep and crosses into REM, rapid eye movement sleep. This stage was first identified in 1953 by researchers Eugene Oserinsky and Nathaniel Kleitman, who noticed rapid darting eye movements in sleeping subjects and realized something was happening behind those closed lids. In REM, your brain activity looks almost identical to being awake. Your eyes dart back and forth. Your major muscles go into temporary paralysis, so you don't physically act out what's happening in your head. And what's happening in your head is dreaming. Vivid, often bizarre dreams.
What is REM actually for? Sleep scientist Matthew Walker has spent decades studying this question, and his research points to 2 roles. First, memory. During REM, your brain appears to strengthen procedural and emotional memories, sorting which experiences from your day are worth keeping. Second, something closer to editing. Researchers Giulio Tononi and Chiara Sorelli proposed that sleep, and REM in particular, may exist to prune weak neural connections built up during the day, keeping only the strongest ones intact. Not just saving memories, trimming the ones that don't matter. One cycle through N1, N2, N3, and REM takes roughly 90 minutes. Then it starts again. But the cycles are not identical. Early in the night, your brain favors long stretches of N3, the deep repair stage. By the final hours before you wake, N3 nearly disappears, and REM periods stretch longer, sometimes up to an hour. This is why cutting your sleep short doesn't just mean less sleep. It specifically robs you of REM, the stage concentrated at the end of the night, the stage tied to memory and emotional processing. Most adults cycle through this pattern 4 to 6 times before waking. 4 to 6 times, where your brain shrinks its own cells to flush out waste, files away the memories worth keeping, rebuilds damaged tissue, and edits its own wiring, all before your alarm goes off. Your brain does not shut off when you fall asleep. It runs one of the most complex maintenance processes in the human body, in 4 measurable stages every single night. Thank you for watching. If this helped you understand your own mind a little better, like this video, share it with someone who needs more sleep, and subscribe for more videos just like this one.